Hello, hello. And so I have gotten this question from many people, truck driver or not. And the question is, how do I remember to improve my posture throughout the day? And there are a lot of gadgets and gizmos and apps and technology out there. But here's what I discovered. Many of those things, because you can't see it all the time, you forget about it. It's so easy just to be like, okay, I'm going to go on with my day. And sure, at 6, 7, 8, 9 a.m., you're all upright and proper and perfect. But as the day goes on, you start slumping. I don't care if it is sitting behind the computer screen, it is sitting behind the steering wheel, or it is sitting behind some type of desk. We all start out good in the morning, and then it ends up not going so great as the day goes on. And all of these great devices and technology is, although it's great and it's awesome and it's super clever, the reality is, though, it's not working. It's not helping people remember because they can't see it. It's not in their line of vision. So I have a technique for you that I know you're going to love, and you're probably going to think this looks too easy, but guess what? It works. It works all day long. And it's called the Post-it note. Yes, this is what I have on the top of my computer screens. I have a little Post-it note that says your posture. Your posture. That's what I have. And every single day, what am I doing? I'm looking at my computer screens. And when I look up and I see that, which I do often, guess what I do? I improve my posture. You can utilize these tiny little Post-it notes anywhere as a reminder. See, there's so much power in visualizing things, seeing things with your own eyes in that moment that will help you start to course correct. And so if posture is a concern for you, a $3 investment. You can get any size, any color, any shape. I like bright colors. And I've put these all around my house. I have one on my fridge. I have one on my bathroom mirror. I even have one on the dashboard of my vehicle. So if you're a truck driver, you can do this too. All of the drivers that work with me, you know my love of Post-it notes because it helps you see whatever it is you're trying to remember. So if you're trying to improve posture, look no further than our amazing friend, the Post-it note, and get ready to see your posture transform.